Happy Losar to everyone. Happy Losar.
Losar Tsepa. Losar Tsepa. Losar Tsepa. Losar Tsepa.
Hello everyone, Namaste and Tashi Phalkhel and welcome back to my channel Losar Tsepa blog. It's me, Smiling Lama from Pokhara. And guys, so I hope you like that the Mahakala Puja and Mahakala dance. So if you did not see, so please watch it. Yesterday I post, and then guys, so today is the Tibetan New Year, Losar. So firstly, I want to wish happy Losar to all of you who are watching this video, and especially happy Losar to my Tibetan subscriber. And okay, so today I want to share the video. It's like a actually Tibetan, they have 3 days Losar like a celebrate, and then like a first. So today I'm going to show it's like a Tsepa chik, the first and like day 1 Losar, yeah? So how we like a celebrate, and then actually the day 1 like today, so the people they come in our monastery, and then we have small program in our monastery, and then after finish the program, then we get a blessing to Rinpoche. So I'm going to show you, hope you like this video. And then second one, it's like they celebrate in home. And then third one, the people they come in, all our monk and Tibetan people, they all came in Tibetan community hall, and then they celebrate like Losar. So they celebrate Losar like this, but I think that this time Losar is not celebrated like last year because of the COVID-19. So okay, so then today I'm going to show you, the video is Losar first day, how they celebrate. Okay, hope you like this video. Okay, see you. once more.
Tashi
Phalkhel.
bye bye.
Oh. अब कहाँ जाने हामी अहिले दर्शन गर्न Okay guys, so we finished program with our Tashi Phalkhel Camp. So now we are going to get a blessing to our being of and respect program. And then later our Tibetan camp people, they are also coming here. Losar Tsepa. Oh my God! Wow. Losar Tsepa.
왔어도. 메로노라. Take it up. Yeah.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and this video is especially to you all my dear Dhamma friends, so who want to see how we celebrate Tibetan Losar, and then so hope you like this video, and then so if you like my video, so please don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe my YouTube channel please, and you can see beautiful and blessing video in my YouTube channel. And so okay, then next video I'm going to show you the third day Tibetan Losar, how they celebrate in Tibetan community hall, and then I'm going to show you. And then one thing I want to tell you, that today too we start February 12 to March 12, we have 1 month holiday starts, so my video is more active, so keep it up. Okay, and miss you and love you and Jai Guru.